Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a step-by-step polygel nail tutorial. I purchased this kit off Amazon and I'm going to unbox to show you all that comes inside. This is the Beatles Gel Polish UV LED Nail Lamp Pro Kit, and here are some of the stuff that comes along with the kit. I also did purchase a Model 1's polygel nail set separately because I wanted to use a polygel instead of the gel polish that came in this kit. Here I have the Top It Off Matte Top Gel, the Top It Off Top Gel, and also I have the Foundation Base Gel. The set also comes with a 48-watt LED nail lamp. These are the Model 1's polygel in bright white, in natural pink, then I have light pink, and the next one we have is clear. I also have dual forms from Model 1s, and I'm going to show you in a minute what they look like. I also have nail flowers because I am going to do an encapsulated nail, which I think is going to look super cute and girly. So I am starting off by pushing back my cuticles, and this is important because you have to get rid of the new growth so that your nails will last longer and not lift up so easily. Next, I am going to clip off the excess dead skin to give my cuticle a more polished look. I like to make sure that my natural nails are clipped evenly, especially since I'll be using clear polygel. Next, I'm going to file my nails to make sure they are even and that the shine is removed from the surface. Now it's time to clean up. I'm using 90% alcohol, and I'm also using my nail brush. Okay, so now here's a swatch of the colors of the polygel. Okay, so let's start off with the nail dehydrator. And this is to get rid of the natural oils on the nails so that we'll have longer lasting nails. And as you can see, this dries very fast. Next, we use a primer so that the polygel will adhere better to your natural nails. Now, let's see if we could find the perfect nail forms that it will fit our natural nails without being too big or too small. Then we are going to apply the base coat and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, time to apply the polygel to the dual forms. And here I use a little bit too much, so I have to get rid of the excess. Make sure that when you're applying the nail forms, you don't have to press down too hard because I find that it causes bubble and that's not cute. Make sure you go ahead and clean up underneath your nail if there's excess polygel, because once you cure the nail, it is more difficult to maneuver. So I'm getting these flowers, I'm actually cutting this flower in half for my encapsulated nail, and I will be using a clear polygel so it will stand out more. I'm getting another piece of petal to put at the end, and then I am adding more polygel to cover it. You can cure the nail for 60 seconds. Now this is what it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and file and shape them to how I want them. I'm going to add some bling. So I am going to put on some top gel coat so that they will stick once I cure the nail. Let me say this wasn't the right tool to put on these stones. I found it to be a little bit of a tedious task, but it still worked out anyway. After you put the stones on, make sure you cure for 60 seconds. Okay guys, look how lovely these nails are looking. I'm going to add some cuticle oil and massage them in. Okay, if you happen to like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please comment below if you ever tried polygel nail set before. And also, did you like the way mine turned out? Thank you again for watching. Bye.